everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue if your HP laptop is not charging anymore. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would suggest would be it's more likely than not that your battery has exceeded its useful life and needs to be replaced. I know that's what people do not want to hear, but that's just a fact of life. Laptop, tablet batteries do not last forever, and especially if you use it very regularly, you do a lot of intensive activities with it, the heat that's generated from those batteries and those laptops really does a number on those batteries, and they just do not last 10, 15, 20 years. They're just not designed to do that anymore. Unfortunately, so that's just something to keep in mind. However, there's a couple of different troubleshooting things we can take a look at here, beyond replacing the actual battery. So you can try opening up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on the battery section, and then right click on the battery listed in here and select where it says Uninstall Device. Select Uninstall, and now you need to close out of here and then restart your computer, and it should automatically download and install the battery driver once again. And then hopefully it should be able to be charged once again. You can adjust some power option settings too to hopefully extend the life of your battery. So maybe it's only charging for a couple minutes, or I should say it's only holding a charge for 10 or 15 minutes. You can make some changes within Windows to hopefully get a little bit more life out of the battery. One of which would involve opening up the start menu, type in power plan. Best match, come back with edit power plan. Go ahead and open that up. Select power options at the top. And then if you want to select Power Saver, saves energy by reducing your computer's performance where possible, just select that and then close out of here. So your computer's performance, as it would imply, is not going to be as responsive, but you should get more life out of your battery. That's the point. Pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.